Good everyone, and welcome to today's market technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, the founder of Tenet Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, also get the right tool sets to enable them trade the financial market profitably. So today we'll be talking about the market technical breakdown for the time period of 1st of December to the 5th of December. And today is the 1st of December 2025. I want to use this opportunity to say congratulations to every single trader who has gone through this year of trading profitably, making withdrawals, and growing in their trading endeavors. So today, I want to share a mindful session I've been thinking of lately. I'm planning on hosting a boot camp for the month of December, and I wanted to share the thought with you to give me your own suggestions. This bootcamp is going to either be a forex and AI trading bootcamp or a synthetics trading bootcamp. The forex market is going to close in 3 weeks' time. So traders also, what do we do best? We know how to trade. So even when the market is closed, there are other markets that will be open, like the crypto market will be open, the synthetic indices market will be open. So I want to be able to use the opportunity to offer a bootcamp whereby people can learn how to trade the crypto market and the forex market with AI, or they can even learn how to trade the synthetic indices market. So you can visit the link in the description. Once you visit the link in the description, you click on our Telegram group. Telegram group is going to be the Tele Digital Link Community Telegram group. This is the official Telegram group, okay? And you go and vote with this poll. Okay, which bootcamp should I host? Okay, I want you to suggest. Is it going to be the Forex and crypto AI trading bootcamp or the synthetic indices trading bootcamp? Or you can also visit the Forex Medici general group. You can see why I have 3 votes already. Okay, you can come here and vote, and majority of them are saying that they want the Forex and crypto AI trading bootcamp. So visit this link. Okay, it's going to be on the description. Okay, on our link tree as well. Just click the link tree below and visit it. Okay, so you'll be able to make these suggestions and be able to dive into this bootcamp this month of December. It's going to be a free bootcamp. Okay, it's going to be a free bootcamp. Okay, so with that in mind, let us now forecast the week. So this is Euro USD, and this is my forecast for the week. This is Euro USD. This is a supply zone, a forward supply zone, and this is the previous week high and previous week low. Okay, our forecast for last week was more of a buy. Okay, and the market bought massively. We took trades on AUD USD buy. Okay, we took trades on AUD USD buy. This was the trade. We called it out for our community members in the VIP. So if you want to be able to join the VIP group and be able to be part of these signals, which will be sent on a daily basis. We send 2 signals to our VIP group on a daily basis, and then the free group we send about 3 signals in a week maximum. In a week, 1 signal minimum, maximum 3 signals in a week, and we try to break it down in different sectors. We can send one on forex, we can send one on crypto, and we can send one on synthetic indices. But on most weeks, we can send just two, one on forex and one on crypto, or two on forex. So that is literally how we offer the free signals to our free community. So this trade was a 1:4 risk to reward. We were risking 25 pips to aim for 100 pips on AUD USD buys. So the euro buys we spotted, and we did not take the euro buys, we took the AUD USD buys. So if you're able to put in $10 on this trade, you're making $40. If you're able to put in $100 on this trade, you're making $400. Whatever you put in, you're making 4 times it. If you're able to put $100,000 on this trade, you're making $400,000. That is the power of the financial market. Okay. So with that in mind now, don't wait anymore. Reach out and admin, reach out to me. The link and details is going to be on the description. Okay. And these are our forecast for Euro USD for the week. So the market is currently in a supply zone. So we expect it to have a return rejection, which is more of a correction, okay, for Euro USD since it's in this supply zone. But if you break this supply zone, disrespect it and retest, it's going to then buy to the upside. Then the next on the list is going to be the GBP USD. GP USD is the next pair on the list. So for GP USD, the market bought just like we forecast it to buy last week. This was where the market was on Monday last week, and we forecast it to buy, and it bought. But we said if the market breaks below this low, it will sell. What the market do, it actually took the buys. Okay, so with this in mind now, this is the previous week high, this is the previous week low. So we're expecting GPUSD to have what? A retest, a retest. Okay, then give us a confirmation entry here and then continue this buy to the upside towards this 4 hour secondary supply zone. This is the 4 and also this is also a primary supply zone, but we're aiming first for this secondary supply zone for GPUSD. Now the next on the list is GPJPY. So on GPJPY, we call out a signal live. You can go through our live stream, which was also posted on our YouTube handle. Okay, so for GPJPY, this is the previous week high and this is the previous week low. We call that a trade signal over here for a buy. We are risking 100 pips to make 200 pips. So the market didn't actually activate our 200 pips over here, but we took partial profits and now the market is back to our entry, which is more of a break even. So for GPJPY now, this is the previous week low, this is the previous week high. There was a little brief shared by the Bank of Japan early this morning, and that brief made Japanese yen to be strong. So with that brief now, we expect what more buys to come in for GPJPY. Okay, after this corrective structure, more buys to come in for GPJPY before the week ends because there is what a daily referential zone over here. Okay, so that's what I see for GPJPY. Then the next on the list is XAUUSD. So for XAUUSD, this was our forecast for last week. The market was here on Monday. We said the market is going to have a little correction here and then buy to the upside massively. So the buy from last week alone was almost about 2,000 pips plus, 2,000 pips plus. Okay, so with this in mind, this is now our forecast for this week. Our forecast for this week is because the market has been creating what more of impulse correction. This is forming a W pattern here and then another impulse. We are expecting the market to have a correction here and then continue up to this was supply zone, primary supply zone. This is the previous week high we spotted and this is the previous week low. So this trend is forming more like a support level, and you can see the market has formed what an ascending triangle. This is now more of the supply zone of this triangle. Okay, so the break of this triangle now is more interesting to me because once a triangle breaks, a same triangle breaks, more push up is anticipated to happen. Then the next on the list is BTC USDT. The next on the list is BTC USDT. So for BTC USDT, this was our forecast for last week. Okay, so the forecast for last week still holds. This was where the market is. So when the market has a correction, then a drop. The primary level is going to be the $75,000 mark. Okay, so this is the previous week high, this is the previous week low. We cut out this buy level for our VIP. We took in a buy on BTC USD. Okay, we entered at 97,000. Our stop loss was we entered at 87,000. Our stop loss was 86,000. Our take profit was 92,000. 1:5. Okay, so if you don't want to miss such opportunity like this, subscribe for our VIP group. The link is going to be on the description. Okay, or reach out to me. The details of the admin is going to be on the description. Once you fulfill the necessary requirements, you added to the VIP group. So the overall trend now for the BTC is going to be more of a sell. I think there was a statement made by the Bank of Japan speaker early this morning by 2 a.m. and that was prompted more sales because I don't see any political news, I don't see any tariff news that actually was pushed or any institutional news that actually pushed this market to sell massively. But mainly, this could also be signs of institutions taking profits, okay, for the celebration period. Then the next is Ethereum. Okay, so this is Ethereum. So our forecast for Ethereum still holds. Okay, our forecast for Ethereum still holds. We had a trade rejection of a sell from Ethereum at this point last week. We call that a sell at this point for Ethereum. So the trade rejected, but we closed out profits later before we hit our ultimate stop loss at $3,000 per Ethereum. We closed out earlier, and that was a very good mark for us. So over here for Ethereum, and this is the previous week high, this is the previous week low. So this sell is still active. Okay, when this sell to be completed and to get to like 2,200 psychological level for Ethereum before any other buyers for more buys. So the next on the list is going to be Solana. Solana. Okay, so this is Solana now. So for Solana last week, we didn't call out any trade at all. This is the previous week high for Solana. This is the previous week low for Solana. So we want the market to sell towards the psychological level of $100 for Solana, and it has already broken previous week low, which means that it is capable of going lower. Okay, so once you get to psychological level of 100 right, then we can now start looking for any buy opportunities. So thank you so much for watching to this point. My name is Anthony Phillips Joko, and I'm the founder of Fair Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, also get the right tool sets to enable them trade the financial market profitably. Okay, so if you want to learn about digital trading, how you can be able to create a Forex account, study the Forex market from beginner level to advanced level, also how you can get VIP signals, how you can get one-on-one mentorship, how you can get the right tools like AIs, analytical tools, and data, just reach out to me. Okay, the link is going to be on the description. Okay, and also if you're curious to also venture into crypto trading, okay, you want to be able to learn how to trade the Binance spot market, the Binance futures market, how to apply risk management on Binance, and also how to trade main coins, reach out to me. If you want to also, if you have a challenge of your funds missing in crypto, like you want to recover your funds, you sent your funds to a particular account and the account is on hold, or you sent your funds to a particular wallet and it seems like it has not reflected in your wallet, reach out to me. I'll be able to give you proper guidance on how we can be able to recover these funds. Terms and conditions apply. Okay, so we are here to also give you insights on how to trade with AI. So this is going to be a boot camp we're heading to do this month. If the votes are done and in today, we'll start the promotion, and then by this week we're going to get the boot camp done every Friday. Every Friday, okay. So we're not going to take a lot of time every Friday, okay. Then if you also want to learn about real estate, I'm into short-let properties, mainly with Airbnb. I have properties that I currently manage and I provide them for my clients. They book and I reserve accommodation for them and they stay there and they enjoy their stay more like home. Okay, so if you want to be able to join this business, learn how you can get it done in your country and then be able to make passive income from real estate, reach out to me as well. Thank you so much. Visit our website www.tennisdigitalling.com for more information and our official links, and have a profitable trading month. Peace.